Hello guys, this is Roy from the Mini 4-Wheel Drive Club, Winnipeg, Manitoba, Canada. And for this video, I would like to show you about the MS suspension tools. So here what we have is a cutting tools to help us when we do the suspension. We have to do the cutting here, then we can make sure it's cutting straight. And this one here is what we're using for trim the bolts for the spring. Okay, so in the video I will show you how these two tools works, and also we'll show you how it looks like after we use that, and also I will show you how it looks like after we get it done. After you watching the video, if you're interested on these two tools, you can straight contact me on my Facebook or Instagram and I will get you more details about it. There's also lots of different type of the tools or parts, even though the R system is gonna be available too. Okay, so let's start with the video. Let's go. Okay, so here we're gonna using this MS chassis cutter, and we just place the chassis into that tools, and to make sure it's tight enough and at the right position like this. And then on the side you can see there's a holes that is just enough for us to fit our hand sole. Is 0.2 millimeter hand sole. Then we just put the hand sole in, then we start cutting it. So this way we can make sure we are doing a straight cut. Okay, so after we just take it out and take a look at it. See, it's pretty straight, huh? Okay, then I'm just using the plastic cutter and just cut it off, and then take all the extra pieces and just clean it a little bit, and you can see how straight that is. And we just put it on, and then we just check it how it works like. Okay, and now we are doing the rear part. Same thing, same step. Then we just put everything on, then we check it one more time. Okay, so at the back here you can see we have extra pieces we haven't done the clean them yet. So here we're gonna using the toothbrush and just try to get everything cleaned up. Okay, and using the hobby knife and to clean the space that I just using the plastic cutter to do it. And here I'm using the bolts trimmer. Then you can see for this bolt, that's what we're gonna using for this tools. So we just stick it in and turns that, twist it all the way till the end. Then the tools has been trimmed. And for myself, usually until the end, I will do a couple turns again, and to make sure it's trimmed evenly. So here we're gonna do a compare, see what's the difference between this one we trim and then to untrim bolts. So you can see the spring, we cannot even put it in because the bolt is too thick. And here you can see is all the bolts has been trimmed already. So now you can check how it looks like after we trim it and put the springs on. And now you can see how easy we just do it with the tools. It saves you lots of times. Okay, so based on we have these tools and we finish the front, back, and trim the bolts. So it only take about less than 10 minutes. If you can do it quick, you can do it about in 5 minutes as well. So another benefit, if you have the tools, first you have less chance to screw up your setup. For example, the way you're cutting the front and the back, if you have the tools, you will definitely cut it straight. So it's not that easy to get yourself screwed up on cutting the chassis. And second, if you're using these tools to trim your bolts, you don't have to worry about you are not trim the bolts not evenly, because the tools is already set up how thick the bolts has to be. So that part you don't have to worry about it. So it's very simple and easy, and it's impossible you will get failed. So like I said, you have the tools, you should be fine. And then you can save your time to make your chassis. You can make your setup perfectly. Alright, so this is today's video, and like I said, if you're interested on these two tools, you can straight contact me on my Instagram or Facebook. Okay, so if you have any question, please leave a question and comment at the bottom. I will reply to you as soon as possible. And this is today's video, and if you want to see more video like this, please like, subscribe, and share this video. Alright, thank you so much. Don't forget to press the bell, so if I have the new video, then you will know it right away. Thank you, I'll see you next time.